A morning at home. Good morning. Please get up.
Oh, 5 more minutes, please.
No way, it's already 8.
Really? I'm very tired.
You worked today, remember?
Oh, right. I forgot.
Come on, sleepyhead, go shower.
Okay, I'm up now.
Please hurry a little.
Yes, I'll be faster.
You stayed up very late.
Yes, I stared at my phone.
I can see that now.
My head still feels slow.
I made coffee for you.
You're the best, thank you.
The coffee is still very hot.
Perfect, I really need it.
What do you want for breakfast?
I would like pancakes.
We are out of milk.
Oh no, that's a pity.
Then we'll make eggs and bread.
Eggs and toast sound good.
I'll cook the eggs now.
I'll make the toast meanwhile.
Together, everything is faster.
Yes, we'll reach work on time.
Do you want tea or coffee?
I'll take coffee as always.
By the way, where's your phone today?
Maybe it's on the couch.
I didn't see it there.
Then maybe in the bathroom.
Look on the counter.
Oh yes, here it is.
You lose your phone every day.
Yes, it happens often.
You should watch it better.
I plan that every morning.
Today you almost forgot the keys too.
Without you, I'd be late often.
Breakfast is ready now.
Thanks, I'm very hungry.
Please eat fast. We must go soon.
Give me 1 more minute.
At the breakfast table.
Oh no, I spilled the coffee.
Oh dear, are you still sleepy?
Yes, my hands are very slow today.
No problem, that can happen.
I'm sorry, the table is all wet.
I'll grab a towel quickly.
Thanks, I didn't mean to.
Don't worry, it's only coffee.
Luckily, nothing fell on the floor.
Yes, that is good.
I really need my coffee first.
Then sit down and relax a bit.
Thanks, I am not fully awake yet.
Would you like a fresh cup of coffee?
Yes, please, but this time I'll hold it tight.
Here's a new cup.
Thanks, now I will be careful.
Did you sleep badly last night?
Yes, I lay awake for a long time.
Were you thinking about work?
Yes, many thoughts were in my head.
I know that feeling well.
Luckily, we have breakfast.
Do you want to eat or drink first?
I'll take a sip of coffee first.
Do you want toast or eggs?
Toast, please, with butter.
Should I make you an egg too?
Yes, a soft egg would be nice.
Here you go. Be careful, it's hot.
Thanks, I'm a bit clumsy today.
That is surely the early morning.
Yes, after breakfast it will be better.
Will you drink a second cup of coffee?
No, one is enough for now.
Do you have a busy day today?
Yes, I have several appointments.
Eat slowly, but we must leave soon.
Yes, I'll hurry up.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, now I feel more awake.
Good. Then let's start the day. At the closet.
Oh no, I think I put on the wrong shirt.
What is wrong?
I wanted a black shirt, but this one is navy.
You hardly notice, but in light you do.
Now I feel a bit embarrassed.
Don't worry, navy looks good on you too.
Really? I'm not sure.
Yes, the color matches your pants.
And what about the jacket?
The gray jacket fits better than the brown one.
Colors confuse me in the morning.
I see that you are not fully awake.
I also have 2 different socks on.
Oh, wow, that is really embarrassing.
They are both dark. Will anyone notice?
Maybe not, but I do.
Should I change the socks?
Yes, better now than later.
Where are the black socks?
In the bottom drawer on the left.
Ah, found them.
And the shirt. Do you want the white one or the blue one?
The white one, it looks neater.
White is good, but be careful at breakfast.
Yes, I will probably spill again today.
Then change after breakfast instead.
Good idea.
Which shoes do you want to wear?
The black shoes.
They go well with everything.
Do you think the outfit looks okay now?
Yes, now everything matches.
Thanks. Without you, I'd be lost.
That's why I'm here.
Colors are really not my strength.
No problem. Together we got this. In the bathroom?
Oh no, this is really embarrassing.
What happened?
I spilled toothpaste on my shirt.
Oh, wow, right before work.
Yeah, and the shirt was clean.
Wait a second, I'll get a wet cloth.
Thanks, I'm so clumsy today.
Hold still, the stain comes out easier.
Can you still see it?
A little, but it's fading.
This always happens to me in the bathroom.
Maybe you are still too tired.
Yes, I wasn't fully awake while brushing.
Did you wash your face yet?
No, I was about to do that.
Then be more careful this time.
Yeah, I'll try.
Is the water too cold or too hot?
It's a bit too cold.
Turn the faucet a little left.
Ah, yes, now it's better.
Do you have your towel ready?
No, I can't find it.
It's hanging behind the door.
Oh, right, there it is.
Do you always brush here in the morning?
Yes, every morning, even if I'm tired.
Do you use an electric or normal toothbrush?
An electric toothbrush.
Then it splashes more sometimes.
Yeah, I just noticed that.
Are you done in the bathroom now?
Yes, almost done.
Then we can leave soon.
Good. I hope nothing else happens.
The morning is almost over.
Thanks for your help in the bathroom.
You're welcome. Forgot the umbrella.
Oh no, it's raining really hard?
Yes, and you forgot your umbrella.
I'm really embarrassed now.
Didn't you look out the window earlier?
I did, but I didn't think about it.
Now you're already soaked.
Yes, my jacket is totally wet.
Do you want to run back and get the umbrella?
No, it's too late for that.
Do you at least have a hood?
Yes, but it doesn't help much.
Then stand closer under the awning.
Good idea. It's drier here.
Next time, put the umbrella by the door.
Yes, I plan that every time.
Should I give you my umbrella?
No, then you'll get wet.
We can share it.
Okay, let's stand closer together.
Watch out for puddles.
Too late, I stepped in one.
Now your shoes are wet too.
Everything goes wrong today.
Look on the bright side. It's only water.
True, we will dry again.
Come on, let's walk quickly.
Yes, before it rains even harder.
Next time, we'll make a rain checklist.
Yes, umbrella comes first on the list.
Then we'll laugh about this later.
Yes, it's almost funny already.
Took the wrong bus.
Oh no, I think this is the wrong bus.
What do you mean?
The stops look very different today.
Did you check the bus number?
No, I just got on.
What number is it?
This is bus 34, but I need 43.
Then we're going the wrong way.
Yes, I'm really embarrassed.
Don't worry, that happens to many people.
Do you know where we can get off?
Yes, at the next stop.
Can we transfer there?
Yes, the right bus stops there too.
I hope we still arrive on time.
Maybe a few minutes late,
That's annoying. I was ready today.
except for the bus.
Exactly.
Look, there's the next stop.
Good, then let's get off soon.
After that, we just cross to the other side.
Thanks, I'd be lost without you.
No problem.
Next time I'll look closer.
Yes, especially in the morning.
I'm not fully awake then.
I can tell.
At least we're laughing now.
Right. A bad start doesn't mean a bad day. Phone battery dead.
Oh no, my phone just switched off.
Really? Right outside?
Yes, the battery is totally dead.
Did you not charge it this morning?
No, I forgot.
That is unlucky now.
Yes, I need the phone for directions.
You need it for navigation?
Yes, and for messages.
Do you have a charging cable?
No, sadly not.
Maybe we can charge it somewhere.
Where?
In that coffee shop over there.
Good idea.
Or I can make a quick hotspot.
That helps only for a moment.
True, without battery, it is useless.
I feel a bit lost now.
Don't worry. We will find a way.
Do you know the route without a phone?
Yes, I know it roughly.
Then I will follow you, and
Just walk with me.
next time I will charge my phone better.
Or take a power bank.
Yes, that would be smart.
Come, let's go to the coffee shop first.
Thanks, that saves me right now.
No problem.
Now I see how important a phone is.
Yes, but we can manage without it.
True, with help, everything works.
At the diner.
Sorry, I think I did something embarrassing.
What happened?
I just put salt instead of sugar in my coffee.
Oh no, that must taste awful.
Yeah, I noticed right away.
Why didn't you look more closely?
The shakers here look the same.
That's really unlucky.
Now, I don't know if I can drink the coffee.
No, better order a new one.
Do you think that's okay?
Yes, that happens in restaurants often.
Then I'll ask the server soon.
Just say honestly what happened.
Excuse me, could I get a new coffee, please?
What is the reason?
I put salt in it by mistake.
No problem, I'll bring you a fresh one.
Thank you very much.
Do you want sugar this time or nothing?
Nothing. I don't trust myself now.
Good choice.
I hope nothing else goes wrong today.
The day is still long.
At least we have something to laugh about now.
Yes, embarrassing moments stay in our minds.
But they also make life funnier.
Exactly.